Testing, testing, 1, 2. Good morning, fellas. Happy Monday morning. We are live. Let's go. Good morning, Nathan Ramirez, Fred Yeager, Jack Wiley, Timbo, Jim O, Best Guest Trading, Jake Dell, Darren Koss, Sam Owen, Microplayer. Good morning, RXHX, Bruce Lee, Charles, good morning. Jade Trades TV, good morning. Clyde, good morning. Terry W, good to see you. All right, everybody, let's do this. Give me a minute. I am trying to get everything connected here. I need to... Do I? All right, market just going higher. Citizen Zero, good morning. Black Coffee Trader, good morning. Mr. Wall Street is in the building. Good to see you, Mr. Wall Street. Good morning. How we doing? All right, I'm just trying to get everything connected here. All right, continuing up through the 850s. Wow. I mean, we got the highs up, overnight highs are up here at the 875s. Hey, good morning, Charles Ward. Design Knob is in the building. Yeah, market doing market things. Isn't that true? All right, I need... I'm going to lock myself out of my Apex accounts. But we officially have Take Profit Pro accounts. We've got 5 funded Take Profit Trader accounts. We have officially passed our funding ticks accounts. And we've got some brand new, never been used trade day accounts. We will be trading the trade day accounts. All right, getting a pullback. Hey, thank you, Fred. Joom is here. Hey, good morning, Viter. Good morning, Pedro. Pedro, and how we doing? All right, I'm trying to get everything. We did not have a good day on our Lucid account. Lucid accounts are not doing so hot. Not doing so hot today, unfortunately. All right, market, little bit of a pullback. And are we just going to go straight back up? I'm trying to think what I want to trade. Yeah, I think we're just going to trade our trade day accounts. Is it weird? Is it weird that I'm scared to trade my take profit trader accounts? I'm actually just don't want to even trade them. I just want to look at the Take Profit Trader Pro accounts for a while, if that's okay. Hey, Matty Matt, good morning. Dan Taloy Dan, good morning. Michael, good morning. I just want to look at those accounts for a just want to look at them for a while. All right, retesting the 850s. I had a dream. I had a dream last night. I had a dream that I got a payout on my take profit accounts. Let's hope that turns into reality. It's a sign. It's got to be a sign, right? Let's see if we make new highs. Need to get above that 856s. Let's do it, Sit in Zero. I really, really hope. R5 Studios, good morning. When we have a chance, we need to chat about how bad I was on the back nine yesterday. That sounds like a good time, Matty Matt. I had, let me think. I did over the weekend played in a golf scramble on Saturday. Played pretty good. Played pretty well. I think we were 12 under on the scramble. Not great, not terrible. All right, finally got this all connected. Apex accounts are locked out. Obviously, we're locked out on funding ticks because we're past. Hey, we're slowly building. We're slowly building, guys. With these funding ticks accounts, we're back up to 20 funded accounts if we count. Well, actually, no. So this Lucid account is actually blown. Womp womp. Just could not catch a winning trade on these. I traded this account first, had 3 losses in a row. Traded this account next and had 4 losses in a row. So my day did not start out great on the overnight trading. I had 7 losses in a row. That hasn't happened in a long time. But it is what it is. It's kind of you gotta take the bad with the good, because when you trade big size, there's gonna be days that's gonna happen. So I'm not sure what I'm gonna do now. I'm not sure what I want to do. I mean, I feel like I have to add, and I have to get these accounts to 5. I don't know. We'll talk about that later. But wow, we're getting a pullback back down below the 830s. Continuing lower down I might take, if we get down to the 815s, this is where I want to look. I'm going to trade probably 4 minis. We're going to start off with 4 minis on these trade day accounts. So trade day, we cannot, 30% consistency if I'm correct, right? Can someone correct me if I'm wrong? But I think it's 30% consistency, right? All right, let's see. Ooh, see if we make a move here, I might jump in here actually. But I think we have a 30% consistency on trade day, which means the most we can make on these accounts is 2,700. If my math is correct. All right, if we make a move back above this, I'm going to jump in here. All right, let's hope we keep going here. Rip it. All right, going to take half off right there. Just try to, I'll take the rest off at the highs. If this keeps going, come on. I will not let this go against me too much here. Come on. It's starting to stall here. I don't like that. All right, I'm just going to get out for now. Let's see what happens. This could start to go. And we're just going to rip right up through it. Dang it. Ah, should have held. Hey, Tech11, good morning. Excuse me. Man, that was a good sneeze. Whew, nothing like a really good sneeze. All right, let's see if we take out these highs. Wow. Hey, thank you, Peter. Hey, Feline Futures, good morning. Dabda, good morning. Grant Thompson Trades, good morning. What's better, a good sneeze or a good stretch? That's true. It is Ryder Cup week, Golf Guy Mike. Let's go. Oh, it's going to be fun. I am not planning anything. I'm going to take in that Ryder Cup all weekend long. It's going to be great. We probably, we definitely got out of that trade a little bit too early. All righty. Kevin, you're so blurry. Now you're not blurry. Kevin's sitting in the tilt chair. It is so warm in here. Can you open the door? Like
it's like 9 degrees in here, man.
Yeah, just open it. Thank you.
Why is it so warm in here?
Because my computer is hot. And this light is warm. Yeah, RX says stay off the internet today. Facts. Facts.
Well, it's my PC's fault. It goes, oh, hey, this game needs an update. I'm going to update it now.
Hey. All right, we're just continuing, trying to retest the 855s here. Kevin, what do you think? You think the market's, what do you think? Should we trade that it goes up or down?
Down.
Down?
That's
what? Kevin says go down.
Watch it go down. Watch it go down.
Ah, interesting. Hey, good morning, John. Yeah, Kevin, stay off the internet.
See, look, it's going down.
Oh, it's going down a little bit. Maybe it will go down. Every time I hear the name Kevin, I think of Home Alone.
As a kid, everyone called me.
Kevin actually was many times that Kevin looked very similar to the Home Alone Kevin. And look at that, new highs through the 855s. Wow.
My fault.
Well, it's good we didn't take that trade, Kevin. We'd have to take away your computer and sell it.
Then you'd have to save up to buy me a new.
And I have to save up to buy a new one. Your dad is poor.
Or have a good look at your PC first. And your phone.
Wow, look at that. 860s. Okay, where is the okay, we got the all-time highs up here at the 888s. All-time highs, 888s. There she goes, 864 fives. She keeps going higher. I should have held my long on that one. Unfortunate.
Deal with it.
Oh, wow, I just now realized. My Lucid account just disappeared. RIP. That's unfortunate. Hey, Black Beauty Machine, shout out to everyone stuck in 8 a.m. traffic. Not us traders. Yeah, we're in our PJs trading right now. That's how it goes. That's how it goes. I'm done trading, so here comes the first of disgusting golf I played yesterday. Okay, I want to hear it, Matty Matt. We're in the playoffs, so net stroke, okay? 2 round total. Oh, so you still have a chance. Man, this is really just going to keep going higher today.
Wow, I was so wrong.
Well, that's why Dad does this.
Facts.
But you know what's? Dad is wrong as well. A lot of times.
Facts.
Facts. Facts. All right.
Can people see this?
No.
What's that? You should put this on that wall.
Yeah, I should.
Is it just hanging falling up by the name?
Yeah, don't touch it. It can fall off very easily. Go read a book. Go read a good book. Yeah. Leave the door open, please. Yeah, it's a long day. Bears can wake up anytime. That is very true. Facts. You know what I could do today as well? I could buy... Oh, I could get... Another Lucid account. Man, I don't want to get in the habit of just replacing my Lucid accounts.
Cody is coming down now.
Okay, that's fine.
Should I shut it up?
No, you can leave it open.
Okay.
Can you grab me a water, please?
There's something.
There's only one left.
Okay, here. Listen, I'll give you one sip. If I can open this.
Yeah, let Dad open it.
One sip. One sip. There you go.
Here. Thank you. All right, 865s. I mean, it looks like we're going to take out that high of Friday all the way up there, the 888s. Yeah, let's go Browns. The Browns somehow won. I have no idea. Honestly, I did not even think that they had a chance. I got to say, though, the Browns defense might be the best defense in the NFL. I'm not even joking. That defense is legit. Now, if we can just get offense, we need to start Shador. Oh, it was crazy. Baker Mayfield now has the first 3 weeks of the year, and he has a game-winning drive every single game. That's wild. Man, if we just had our offense that we had when Baker was here, we would be such good shape. The Browns organization, they're just so incompetent. It's actually a disgrace. Man, I don't know. We're just gonna have to wait till we get a pullback. Where were the Browns defense when they played my Ravens last week? Well, they took a break. Hole 13 is where he started falling apart. Uh-oh, on a par 3. Call the next shot, end it with a 6. Oh, done that. Missed the ball complete. What? Oh, no, Matty Matt. Oh, no. Hey, good morning, Linda. Good to see you. Ouch. Wow, look at that. 875s. We are definitely going for that high. Market only goes up. Unbelievable. Market so bullish. Wow. Hole 17, bad luck on the drive. Clipped the top of a hill so it went like 150 yards only. Hole 18 was the worst. 2 lost. No! 2 lost balls. Ah. A 53 on the back. Ouch. Oh, that hurts. Oh. Yeah, that's one of those rounds, Matty Matt, where you either need to go play really quickly again, or you need to take like a 2-week break. It's one or the other. You need to get that bad taste out of your mouth. That's not fun, man. That reminds me of how my first round went at the Amish Open this year. Oh, just makes you want to vomit. All right, market. Now I think we can start looking at maybe we get a opportunity here. Trade Day just announced. Trade Day with an announcement this morning. Automatic milestones. Another update to make your life as a trader easier. Every time you reach 5K gross profit milestone, your account pauses. Okay, whatever. Seems pretty standard. Okay, market. Let's get a pullback. This is also where we got to be careful. I mean, this is kind of a double top. We did not make new highs. What was the high here? The high was 880. So we could see this thing pull back now. I don't know why, but right now I want to short. I don't know why. There must be something wrong with my brain. But for some reason, something is telling me to go short. I'm not sure if it wasn't Kevin. Maybe Kevin influenced my brain somehow. My drive on 18, but I couldn't find it. Then we dropped. We hit it. Oh, no. Yeah, if it starts getting dark, that's really... There's two things that I actually... Now that fall is here, I just cannot stand it when you hit the ball and you hit a really nice drive, but there's so many leaves in the fairway that you can't find your ball. That's where I will stop golfing. That is something I just, that's too much. Did I miss something Friday with Kevin and the internet? Yeah. Kevin was messing around again. We had to end stream because something was wrong. I'm not sure. I'm not sure it was. I don't think it was actually Kevin's fault. Just to be clear. See, do I do this here? I feel like I'm going to do something I never do. I never do this, but I'm going to do it. I'm on a short. And this is stupid. See, I already knew it was. I want to see what happens if we reject here. If we just rip the new highs, I'm just going to have to kill it. This is a dumb idea. This is evals, so I would probably not do this on funded accounts, but we might be cooked, chat. I don't like this one bit. I'm reminded why I don't do this. This is why. Why would I go short right there? That's so dumb. I kind of just want to get out. Oh, I need to stay in it, though. We got to have conviction. Just fill me at least half, please. I'm scared. I don't like this. I hate this. I should have gotten out when I had the chance. Should have gotten out when I had the chance. Yeah, we're cooked. We're cooked. We are so cooked here. This thing's going to break out to new highs. I might just get out here. I'm going to take my punishment and get out. I can't do it. It just seems so wrong. It seems so wrong to go short there. I'm just not doing it. Even if I end up being right, I don't know. All right, let's see. Yep, right there. There she goes. Now that wick might do it. That just tied. That was literally right at the high. The 888s. Give me a pullback. Give me a pullback. You just got slipped 6 points. Yeah, that was one of those wicks. Yuki Yak, be my liquidity. I got out quick enough. Which is the best prop firm without Apex? I mean, I would say it's between Tradeify and Lucid. That, in my opinion. I would say between Tradeify and Lucid. I don't think there's a huge difference between the two. So... Hey, Lynn Davenport, good morning. Barely getting a pullback after wicking those previous highs. Hey, Ace Undercover, good morning. All right, let's see. Let's see if we can get a pullback here. I'd love to get a pullback maybe to the 860s. Something like that. What happened to the Tradeify Live account? I still have my Tradeify Live account, but it's not anything to talk. It's just been slowly bleeding out. Unfortunately, I've got pretty hard restrictions on them as well, so I don't know. It is what it is. Correct me if I'm wrong, but the market appears to only go up. This is true, Max. This is true, Design Knob. I believe you have seen it correctly. Give me a bigger pullback here. Come on. For reals. Unreal. This is really just gonna go like this? This is gonna be a long day if we just... We're probably gonna go sideways here, I would expect. Dan Futures. There's a reason I'm not doing Apex Top 10 anymore. Oh man, it's actually there's no reason. I still am collecting the data. I just need to do it, I guess. I need to just get in and do it. I've been procrastinating, and then I missed August or July. I missed July and I have both months. I just need to do the video. I was gonna do the video, and then I lost all of my accounts. That's when I had my big blow up, and I didn't have the mood to do it. I don't know, shouldn't be making excuses, but that's the truth. And I need to do it. I will do it. I'll catch up. I'll catch up again, but I don't think people, I don't know. It doesn't seem like people care as much about it anymore anyway, but I still want to do it just to keep it going. Is Apex losing ground to competitors? I mean, I think to some extent, probably. Probably doesn't help that they banned a lot of people either. But yeah, I'll probably do July and August all in one video is probably what I'll do. Hey, good morning, Peter Schapp. Hey, good morning, Tanush. I didn't see my name after my big payout. I checked the payout side for Tanush, it's in there. I saw it. But they backdated Tanush, so your payout will go in when you request it. But I remember I saw it. We're either going to break out or take a steep pullback. I'm hoping for a pullback. Hey, good morning, Almighty. How we doing? All right, maybe we can get this pullback now. All right, let's see. I want to see if we retest this 850, 860 area. And that is what we want to see. All right, getting a pullback here finally. Down to the 8s, testing the 860s. There it comes. Here she comes. This is where you got to be careful. Got to be careful here. Because this can really dump right here. We're right at the all-time highs. Retested the all-time highs. Now pulling back, and this can dump. So I'm going to be careful, but Still feel like we need to be looking for longs, at least for now. All right, retesting this 15-minute opening range high. Let's see if we get this bounce right here. If I was really aggressive, this would be a buy. But not sure I want to do it. There are many better firms out there than Apex, like Bullnox. No, there's not, Tech. If you use Bullnox, go to a live account with them and then talk to me. Once you take out X amount, you're pretty much done. They really cap you. Same with Tradeify. Take Profit Trader, 100% agree. But the other ones, once you get a certain dollar amount of payouts, and it isn't really that much, then you're kind of capped. And it's really difficult to make any significant money. All right, retesting this 15-minute. Let's see. But if you really want to make a lot of money, anybody trading prop firms, if you want to actually make good money, they use Apex, I can assure you. But hey, use whoever you want. I don't care. Man, do I jump in here? I guess we're going in. I mean, this is a bounce right off the VWAP, or right off this 15-minute range high. Feel like we need to take this. Probably need to put my stop down below. A little bit scared that it's just going to roll over. But, I mean, we got to look for a long, I feel like. Got to go long until proven wrong. Uh-oh. Yeah, it's true, Design Knob. Why do people constantly feel the need to megaphone to others what not to do? Yeah, I agree. I do agree with that wholeheartedly. It's like everybody needs to make sure everybody else knows how they feel. I even have a tendency to do it, so it's true. Use whatever you want. I don't. We really need to. I don't know. I don't like how we're stalling here. Man, 4 minis. Trading 4 minis is insane. It's insane how easily you can lose $1,000. Got to go right here. We got to get up above those 865s. Come on. Rip it. That's it. Go. Keep going. Pump it. Keep going. The daily loss limit? What is different? I'm not even sure what would be different than what like Tradeify would be. Come on, just fill me on that first target. Go. Fill me. Thank you. Thank you. Go. Maybe I need to trail this? Possibly. I'm going to try to hold this and see if we don't break out through the 890s. Maybe we can, trailing never works, but we're going to try it. It seems like it never works, at least. Come on. Just push up to new highs. You can do it, market. I just don't. I'm afraid. This could just go right back down. Ah, come on. Yeah, I was afraid of that. Man, I kind of want to just see if we can't get... As long as we don't go down below the 850 right here, I really... There's no reason to not just stay long, really. Hey, Lynn Davenport, thank you. I appreciate that. Keep going. There we go. Now rip it. Come on, give me new highs. Best guess trade in the market has been real nice to you lately. I mean, yeah, overall, I can't complain. I definitely can't complain. Last night, honestly, I had a rough start on the overnight trading session, but I had 7 losing trades in a row on my Lucid account. So it was not off to a good start, but we turned it around. We turned it around. Thankfully, like I always trade my Lucid accounts first, and then I trade my Funding Ticks accounts, and then I trade my Apex accounts. So thankfully that worked out okay last night. Sometimes it doesn't work out that way, but come on, go. Give me new highs right here. Do it. If we don't make new highs here, am I being greedy here? Am I being greedy? I'm going to be ready. Come on. That's it. Now keep going. Keep going. Don't stop. Don't stop. No. Give me a follow through on this breakout. Give me a follow through. Go. Okay, I'm getting out. I don't like the wick. I don't like the wickiness. Even though this is probably okay to... You can probably just keep along here and it'll just keep going higher. It's all right. Oh, yes, we forgot the clock. Sorry about that. I have negative 3,400 realized on 10 PAs now. I'm long 4 minis on 8.6 trying to get back to green. First target 9.12s. Good luck, Melvin Brian. Good luck, Melvin. Hey, can I have accounts dashboard from Affordable Indicators? How do you get the other accounts to show up? I can only see Apex. And you're connected. Make sure you have to connect them, Ken. Like, as long as you connect your accounts, like, you go up to the connection on NinjaTrader, and you have to connect all your accounts, then they will automatically show up. Or they should. Hey, nicely done, Citizen Zero. Definitely not getting a really good follow through on this breakout, but we do have all-time highs right here. New all-time highs. Go figure. Market only goes up. JD Keegan, any update on the Apex eval bands? No, I don't. I don't. Yeah, I really don't. I feel like I'm getting ghosted. So it's crazy. I just can't see the summary at the bottom like yours. Oh, okay. The summary, Ken. So the summary, you have to go to your account dashboard, and then all the way at the bottom, there is a total rows that you have to enable. So you have to enable total rows, and then there's there's like filters on how to filter for each total. That's how you do that. Did Apex do Apex things again? Trader Jacks, no, this is from months ago when they did the eval bans. All right, 890s being tested. Apex things is a funny term. Yeah, Peter, no, I don't have anything updated. Come on, let's see. I mean, if we get another nice pullback here, I'm just going to get in long again. We're going to take this. We're going to keep going long until proven wrong, I guess. Oh, man. I mean, this is really just going to keep going. Let's see what happens when we get to the 900s. Maybe we get a pullback. Here we go. We're about to test the 900s. Man, this is, I don't know, man. I don't know. I guess we just got to go long and hold. Go long and walk away. Come back at the end of the day. $24 900s. We might see the 25,000s today, guys. We might actually see the 25,000s today. But man, this was a beautiful entry, beautiful trade here on that 15-minute. That 15-minute opening range high. Pull back right to it. Doesn't get any cleaner than that. Man, there she goes. 903s. Ugh. It's crazy. It just keeps going up, man. All right, let's see if we can get a pullback. I mean, right now the pullback would be back to the 870, 880s. If we get a pullback to the 870, 880s, then I guess we just jump in long again. I don't know why not. I don't know why not. I've hit payouts in my current PA accounts that they're denying, but I haven't broken rules in. I mean, I've heard that many, many times. But you sent this info to Nutty, an email for him to remove for review. What are you? What? Oh, wait. Are you the one that was for the hedging because of I'm trying to remember which one. Yeah, send me another email with all the details. I think I remember. They told you I was going live. I mean, they don't deny a payout because you're going live, though. But yeah, send it to me. I mean, I'm trying to remember. Okay, market. I really want to get a bigger pullback here. Man, it's tempting with this kind of price action. If we're just going to keep grinding higher today, I'm so tempted to trade these take profit accounts. Yeah, I'm too scared to enter trades. That's how I am with my take profit trader accounts. I'm scared to trade them. I'm actually scared to trade them, which is not good. Anytime you're scared to trade, you probably shouldn't trade. Not a good idea. I mean, this could be a long, but I want to see a bigger pullback than this. I need to go get some water. Wow, look at that. New highs already. New highs already. Man. Why don't I trade the take profit trader funded Turk Bull trader? I'm scared. That's why. I just want to look at those accounts. I want to look at them and appreciate them a little bit before I blow them, if that makes sense. Man, look at this. I mean, we just go straight up. It's crazy. It's actually crazy. What kind of wedges do I play? I play the let me look. Let me show you. Hey, Harish. Thank you, Harish, for the sub. I appreciate it. Can I let me find it here? I can't find it. Oh, here we go. I use the tailor-made milled grind. These ones right here. These ones right here. I love these wedges. I actually need to get me a fresh 60 degree. My 60 degree I've had for 2 years, and it doesn't have much of a groove anymore. If there's one thing that makes a big difference, it's wedges. If you want to spin the ball, that makes a big difference. Oh, what degrees? Oh, sorry. Oh man, that's even a better question. So I actually currently I do have a 60 degree, but I actually don't play it as much. I switched to a 58 degree. I have a 58, a 56, and a 50. Those are the 3 wedges that I play. My 58 degree, I can hit like full swing on my 58 degree is like 90 yards, and then 3/4 and half swing. But then my 56 degree full swing is like 100, 105. And my 50 degree, I can hit from basically 115 to 125. So I feel really good right now with my wedges. Look at this market. Wow. Man, this is insane. We just man, that's just too steep of a climb for me. We got to wait for a pullback. It's crazy though. This is crazy. Why did you choose the 150K take profit trader? I mean, honestly, just for the drawdown. The drawdown is the main reason. I've been having better luck with the 150K accounts. So I decided, why not try it with Take Profit Trader? I was having 0 luck with the 50Ks. Now, to be honest, I haven't really had any luck with the 150Ks either with Take Profit Trader, but hey, we can try. If I'm done with Tradeify, no, I still have a live account with them. If I lose the live account, I don't know. They might ban me. So we'll find out, I guess. Trader JX. Anyone see the futures for futures? No, I didn't, Will Grimmer. I gotta watch it. You don't trade the live anymore? No, I do trade the live. I still have the live. I just don't trade it on stream. I trade it off stream, and I mean, honestly, yeah, I trade it off stream. I'm gonna keep it that way for now. Whatever happens, I'll update anybody if I lose the accounts. I'll be sure to show. I'll keep everybody informed. But for now, we have about a $5,000 balance on it where we're at right now. It'd be funny if Dakota is gone in 2026 from Top Step. Yeah, Matty Matt, that would be funny. You know what would be really, I mean, I don't wish that would happen on him at all, but it would, I guarantee you all of a sudden he would be trading other prop firms. Yeah, Will Grimmer, I gotta watch it. How are the Top Step accounts? Grant Thompson. Great question. Not great. Not great. We had a bad day Friday, and the overnight session wasn't great. And they're not good. It's not good. It makes me sad. But it is what it is. We're gonna, I don't know. We got one shot. We kind of got one last hurrah to try to recover from him, but honestly, if I lose the accounts, I'll be sad, but also I'm happy that I'm green. I'm happy that I'm net positive with them. So I'm not going to complain. I'm not going to complain too much, but it is sad. All right, JD Keegan, I'll look into it, but no promises. But I do, let me look. When did you send me this? So you were originally denied for the 30% negative, 30% trailing drawdown. So that was legit. But then the other one you're saying was not. I will look into it. Which is not exactly what you said in the chat, JD Keegan, but it's okay. All right, we are all the way up through the 920s already. Crazy. Ay, 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 ay. Market only goes up. I don't even know what pullback I'm waiting for. I kind of just want this. I mean, I wanted to retest the EMA, to be honest. If we can pull back to like the 890s, maybe. Hey, Carolina. Good to see you, Carolina. You're fine, JD. I get it. I got it. I got what I need. I got what I need. It's been so long I've forgotten what pullbacks are. Man, look at this. Are we seriously not going to pull back? Look, we're just going straight up. Unbelievable. This is insane. I should have just held. If I would still be long, we entered long right here. The 866s really haven't had any pullback since then. But we got to be getting a pullback here, right? Shameless new highs. That is correct. What EMA is it? This is the 21 EMA on the 2-minute chart. Wow, look at this. I give up. 930s now. Unreal. $930s, we're just... This is where it really does become difficult to trade it. This is really difficult because the right thing to do is to get, like, trade the pullbacks, but the pullbacks are so small that I don't feel like it's doable. Doesn't feel like it's doable. Just continuing to pull back, or I mean, go higher. All right, can we get a pullback? Like, I'm just not trading it. I know as soon as I go long, we're going to get a 50-point pullback. So we're going to wait. We're going to be patient. There's also no rush. There is no hurry. today. There's no reason for this PA. Yeah, that's always the scary part. That's always the scary part. Carolina, where's Alpine? I think Alpine took the rest of the month off. If I think. I think so anyway. Can we get a bigger pullback? Come on. Just doesn't seem safe to buy into this. Man, am I really going to have to go long here? Am I going to have to go long here? Hang on, I got to close my door. Man, I almost want to go long just to test out. What time it actually, you know what? We're not doing it. You know what time it is? It's 11 o'clock. It's 11 o'clock. We're not doing it. I'm not falling for it. Not today. Watch this just keep going higher now. Hey, JD Keegan, I appreciate it. Thank you for the $5. Thank you, thank you. I did reach out, and I'll let you know if I hear anything. What's 11? That's right. 11 is when the market usually starts going sideways or it starts to slowly bleed lower if we're going in a nice uptrend. That is what I have discovered. It's actually tempting here to go short. I'm like seriously thinking about it. I don't know why I'm thinking about. I don't know why I've had this desire to short the market. It's very dumb. Very dumb. Goes against everything I talk about. Just touched the 50. The month of September 16, 20. It's also tea time. Do I want to try a short? Just for fun. 25K is a fact. Oh, you think we're going to 25,000? Honestly, you're probably right. You're probably right, but we don't know how much lower we're going to go before we get there. Never short all-time highs. Yeah, the pullbacks have just not been... We had one really nice pullback. This one right here. Other than that, nothing. Just nothing. It's on... Oh, wow. Look at... You know what, market? I'm starting to not like you. Gosh. Look at this daily chart. Look at this daily chart. It's crazy. Market just only goes higher. We've got to accept that. Market only goes up. Oh! Remember that dark day a couple weeks ago? I do remember that. Common Sense Financial. Common Sense Financial says, come on, jump in. The water's fine. What are you afraid of? Yeah, Samir, I had such a great entry as well, and just I got out too quick. I don't know. It is what it is. It's so easy to say. I hate saying that in hindsight because you never know. You never know with this market. You know what I'm going to do? We are going to buy the pullbacks. Micro pullbacks or not, we're buying them. We are buying the micro pullbacks, guys. That means one thing and one thing only. The top is in, folks. The top is in. For all you guys waiting to short, this is your time. Your time is here. I have been a subscriber for some time. There is an indicator I would love for you to try. How could I reach you? AG15, you can send me an email. nuttybar1983@gmail.com. I'm going to go in with half size on this micro pullbacks and just, I mean, I don't know. We're just going to ride this thing, I guess. I mean, what could go wrong? Market only goes up, right? The market only goes higher. So why wouldn't we buy everything that pulls back? It's just simple math. Do I have a daily profit goal? Antonio Dave. Yes, I do. On my Apex accounts, $500 a day, I'm happy. Now these accounts that I'm currently trading, which is trade day, I need to trade these for 5 days. And I need to make at least I need to make $9,000. So $2,000 a day would be great. Okay. Let's see. We're being patient. We're being patient. Pulling back to the 920s. Imagine this rolls over now. Somebody tell me guys. Is it gonna roll over now? Willie Coyote 1007 level 24950. Well, we didn't make it to the 950s yet, so oh man, now I'm scared. I'm scared. We got to buy the pullbacks though, right? We have to. I don't think we got a choice. We don't have a choice. We've got to buy the pullbacks. We don't have a choice. The market, it's like, I'm scared though. I'm not going to lie. Please don't make me look like an idiot today, market. Not today. Is most of my profit from trading live stream or off stream? Oh, most of it I would say is off stream in the overnight session, at least recently. For sure. At least recently. I love trading the overnight. Overnight session is my most profitable. And just perfect, right on cue. Market will continue now to bleed lower. I'm already regretting this decision. Already regretting it. Not today. It's okay. This is gonna go higher. Nicholas, don't do it. Hey, Melvin, I was wondering about that. You ended plus 1200. That's awesome. Definitely close it. Shut it down. Shut it down. All right, let's watch this thing bleed lower, just systematically lower for 50 points. Let's watch. It's going to be great. I promise I will not get triggered. I promise I will not get triggered today. We'll keep a very even, cool, collected mentality throughout this pullback. It will be fine. The iron day trader, it's going to roll over all the way back down. Man, that's some powerful that's pretty crazy. I mean, you never know. You might be right. Just be happy, like Coach Tank said. Rip it! Go, baby, go! Make Daddy proud! Make Daddy proud! Make Papa proud. You can do it. You know what? I should probably take some off like right here, just in case. If this is one of those sneaky sneaky hope and nope strategies right here. We all know way too well the hope and nope. We've seen it too many times. Man, this is starting to look like one of those hope and nope ones. This looks like a hope and nope. Oh no. Please don't be like that. Don't do it. I mean, I'm just gonna, if we get filled, we get filled. If we don't, we don't. Rip it! Come on, just be nice. Just be nice today, market, please. Let's just be on good terms all day long. Let's be friends. We can hold hands and go walk down the streams. Everything will be great. You can do it. If I'm showing my trade somewhere off stream, I not really, not as a whole. I don't. Sometimes I do. We're just gonna wait. I mean, there's just no reason to think this is gonna go lower, right? There's just not. It just goes higher. The market only goes up. We know this. So why are we even worried? Don't answer that. Oh dear. Oh dear. It's doing it. It's doing it, guys. It's doing it. Ah, it is doing it. Are we really gonna do this? Are we really gonna do this? There's just no way this is real. There's no way. The market's trolling me. The market's just trolling me. It's fine. For someone who only trades one account, which prop do you recommend? Oof. I mean, it depends. Do you want someone? Do you want something with a consistency rule? Is that important or not? If you don't like a consistency rule, then take Profit Trader. If you don't mind a consistency rule, then probably Lucid or Tradeify. If you're only looking to do one account only. I'm trying to debate. To be quite honest, I feel like we should actually legitimately consider getting out of this position if we can. They're up. What? You were calling 24,950. And second of all, Sarap, I hate to burst your bubble, but if you're posting your levels thinking that I should trade your levels, you're on the wrong channel. I'm sorry, that's not offensive, but I don't take trades from chat. I don't take trades from strangers. I don't mind if you want to post things in chat where your levels are. That's great. I don't mind at all. But don't insinuate that I should be taking those trades. Because that ain't happening. Same with Mr. Wall Street. That's, to me, people that think I should be taking your trades in chat, like, why? You wouldn't do it. That to me is so dumb. I don't get it. So what am I going to do when you're not in the chat? What? I'm just going to wait. I can't trade until you're in the chat. Come on, man. And then if you have losses, then what? Are you going to take responsibility for your losses? Are you going to refund me if I take losses? Then it's like, oh, no big deal. But if it's a winner, you want all the credit. But if it's a loss, it's like no big deal. That's like, if you really think it through, why would someone take other people's trades? If I'm going to lose, I'm going to lose it on my terms. And if I'm going to win, I'm going to win on my terms so that other people can't say, oh, see what I did? It's crazy. But talking about losing, we might take, as long as the 900s hold, I'm really not that concerned until if we have a huge red candle, then we gotta maybe bail, but I'm gonna be patient here. This takes a little time. It's the typical 11 o'clock hour. I posted for 2 weeks my level. If it can help someone, well, that's great. What if people take losses? Have you thought about that? If you post your levels and then people take losses from it, are you taking responsibility for the losses? Or do you only want to get the credit for the wins? Then why are we here? You're here for the community. You can do whatever you want. Don't tell other people how to trade. But we're here to share, but it's a difference between, it's that the insinuation that other people should be trading what you trade. That's what's offensive. Yeah, there's a difference between sharing and then insinuating that, hey, why didn't you take my trades? There's a big difference between those two things. if you're in chat to trade what other, I don't think so. Maybe I'm wrong, but I don't think people are in chat to trade what other people are trading. I really don't think so. But I might be wrong. I don't know. Right. You also can't say you called the top and it missed the number by 12 points. The previous levels you called out, Sarop, was 950. I don't see 950 on this chart. But then, like, that's what I don't understand. Your comment was 1113 called the top NQ 24,950, hit 24,938, shorted it at 934. I'm done for the day. And then all of that is totally fine. But then you followed it up with, you need to trust me, my brother. Like, that's the issue. You're insinuating that I should be what? I should be just waiting for you to take a trade and you expect me to take the same trade? Come on. We're not, you can't believe that. But don't make it seem like something it wasn't. You literally were calling the level 950 all morning. It hasn't hit 950. So what are you talking about? It's like, what? It's so dumb. But hey, I don't, like I said, post your levels, everything, but insinuating that people should be taking your trades, that's where I draw the line. All right, if this doesn't get a move back above this 910, I might just kill this thing. This is, I still think we're okay, but the 900s, as long as we hold. All right, above the 910s. Now keep going. Come on. Just give me new highs. We need one of those big green candles right here. Rip it. If we start to roll over here, then I probably need to kill this thing. If we roll over here, you know what? I'm going to put my stop loss in here. Let's just put our stop loss in so we don't do anything stupid. I'm going to have it below the 900s, and then we're just going to let it go. Come on, market. Don't give up. Don't give up now. Yeah, I did it again. I took a trade at 11 o'clock, which, I should know better by now, but here I am again. Come on, rip it up through the 920s. Then we need to get up through the 925s, and then maybe we make new highs. But I'm honestly not feeling this all of a sudden as much. If we start to roll over here, see if we can get through the 920s. Push. I'm seriously thinking about killing this trade. I'm getting out. I don't like it. It's just doing that slow bleed lower. If I'm wrong, I'm going to be upset, but I'm just not in the mood. Not in the mood to sit through a slow bleed lower. And if we go higher now, so be it. So be it. Polish scalper. You believe Nutty in his payouts, but most of his profit is from trading off stream. Yeah, I don't. And why should I care, Polish scalper? See, the big difference is that you maybe got twisted. I am not telling anyone how to trade, ever. There's a big difference. I'm going to do my thing, and if you think I'm going to not take trades just to satisfy, I don't know what, you're wrong. If you think I'm here to teach people how to trade, then you must either be new or just have me on mute all the time. I don't know. You have me mixed up with someone else. If you're here to learn how to trade, go leave. I don't recommend being here. It literally says on my YouTube channel, you can look at the header, I'm sharing my journey. That's all I'm doing. If you don't like that, I mean, I can't, I don't know what to tell you. I don't hold any hostages. I'm not forcing anyone to watch. I know that. Yes, most people are here for Ben and Rose. Exactly. Grant Thompson. That's the nice thing about not selling any Discord, selling any Discord services or selling like a course on how to trade. I can't imagine the pressure that would put on someone if you're selling someone a product to learn how to trade, where you're basically saying, hey, pay me X amount of dollars and I'll teach you how to trade. Like, and then you mess up or then you start not trading well or whatever. I can't imagine like the responsibility that you would feel, or I mean, I guess people just don't care. But to me, that I couldn't do that. I don't want that responsibility on me. Yeah, Wall Street. I mean, I think it would mess me up. I think it would, I mean, honestly, you know what it would do? It would, I don't know. I don't know even how to explain it, but to me, it just would be so difficult. It would be so difficult to seriously track. I don't know. The added pressure, especially if you're paying for, like, there are people that are charging $2,000, $3,000 for a course. Like, that is some serious money. And you know you can't teach everyone how to trade. Like, you know it's not possible. So you know the failure rate's got to be high. Like, the failure rate on that is got to be insanely high. So you're basically knowing, even like, best case scenario is 50% of people will fail. Best case scenario. It's just, I don't. That's why I never understood how people that sell courses can do it or how they justify it. But hey, people do it. People do it, and people pay for it too. And I'm sure it's helped people as well. Like, I'm sure people have actually gotten help and learned how to trade that way, but very select few. If this just goes higher now, yeah, see, now I can't even trade. I can't even trade this. Feel like I could have traded. If we had a bigger pullback, I could have entered again. This is the time of day that I hate trading. Absolutely hate it. I know what your course would say. Screen time, screen time, screen time. It's true. You know what? I'll share an email. I literally just sent this email this morning. And this is exactly how I feel. And I get these emails all the time. Like, I get these emails all the time. Someone emailed, I'm new to prop firm trading. I don't know where to start. Like, what should I do? Like, what suggestion or tips do you have for someone completely new? And this is what I responded with. Like, this is exactly how I feel. Find a strategy that makes sense to you, is easy to understand. Don't fall for course sellers or paid discourse services. Most strategies you can find for free on YouTube. Finding a course is the easy part. Managing your emotions and having sound risk management is the hard part. It's hard to teach and usually takes time to learn on your own. The most important part of trading is screen time. Screen time. Like, I mean, that's probably not what people want to hear, to be honest. Like, people want to hear, I think people want to hear is just, hey, here, watch this video, watch and pay for this course, and you'll learn everything you need to know. It's not that easy. It's not that simple. It is not that simple. But it really comes down to screen time. Jimenez, I seem fighty today. Yeah, sorry, I do a little bit. That one comment just triggered me a little bit. I'm sorry. Hey, Ultra Omega, you're halfway to passing on the... Let's go, Omega. That's awesome. And buying Apex. Did you see me post that Polish scalper? Did you see me post that anywhere in the email I sent? You just want to get banned? Go ahead, keep spouting your BS. And now I'm happy that I got out. This is the 11 o'clock trading time. Perfect example. Slowly starting to bleed lower. There's always a sucker around the corner. Yep, there definitely is. It just it's astounding to me how it's astounding to me how somehow in this trading industry people want to make out people that have affiliate links. They want to make those people out to be the bad guys. Yet somehow people selling courses with no track record and paid services, those people are legit. It's like, it doesn't cost you a dime to use an affiliate code if you want to. And if you don't want to use a code, then don't use it. It's like this most simple, easiest concept in human history. If you don't want to support a channel or someone, don't use their code. It's not that difficult. It is not that difficult, man. But somehow people just want to make out affiliate people that have affiliate links as the bad guys. And it's so crazy to me. I don't get it. I don't care. I don't care either. Like, but it's just wild to me how that I don't get it. I really don't get it. I don't get why it's offensive. But hey, some people just want to be mad. NBT bullies me to use his code. Yes, Jinzo. Yes, that's right. I hold people captive. I kidnap people and I force everyone to use my code. That's how it works with affiliates. It's crazy. Oh, it's so wild. Yeah, I'm really offended. Kiss me, I could. Oh, it's so crazy. Oh man, this is tempting me. Maybe we wanted to just sweep the 900s here and now we go higher? Do we trust it? Man. Man, I kind of said I wouldn't trade this, but again, Sarap, it's fine. Don't take. I think your intentions are good, Sarap, and I think your intentions are good. It's just you have to understand that most people, like, I completely encourage and I have zero issues with people posting their levels, and I do think it can help someone. I think that's totally fine. But once you cross the line of insinuating why people aren't taking your trades and your setups and your levels, like, that's what we don't need. We don't need it. Like, it's not necessary to the it That's what doesn't go over well. I hope, I mean, just my honest thoughts. But I hope you keep doing it. I don't mind at all. That's not the issue. What if the 300 people in here do the same thing? I'm pretty sure it won't matter. Pretty sure it won't matter. Peter NBT pointed a gun to my head last year, so I use his code. Peter. Polish scalper, it's not only about you, nothing personal. When you're showing payouts, be 100% transparent and show all your trades, that's all. I'm what? Really, Polish scalper? You are an idiot. How am I selling a dream? What dream am I selling? Find me something how am I selling a dream? What do you mean, like, I need... You make no sense. I don't, whatever. You know what? Like I said, if you don't like it, leave. It's so wild. It's so wild. This guy must be a troll. I don't know what else to do. Well, how else to take it? This guy can't be serious. First of all, this is the first day I even see you here, Polish scalper. It's like the first day I even see you here. So, how do you make comments like that without even knowing anything about my channel? Like, that's so wild to say that. I literally try to be as transparent as I can in a sense of, you know what is important to me? When you talk about selling a dream, there is a reason that I share my expenses, because I feel like that is what is most important. If I share my payouts, I have conviction that I want to also share my expenses, because I think that is true. I think it is possible to only show payouts. If I was only showing you guys payouts and I have 205,000 in payouts, and you have no idea that my expenses are 52,000 a year, I think you might have a point. But I'm sharing you my expenses. Do I show you every single trade I take? No, I don't, and I'm not going. Like, I'm literally want to share you my expenses so that I'm not sharing or selling you a dream. Because no, you know what? Expenses are important for that exact reason. If people tune in for the first time and see that I have 205,000 in payouts, and then somehow people get the opinion that I do that on $2,000 in expenses, that's selling a dream. That's not reality. And it's important because, I mean, look, if someone only has 5,000 expenses and they have 30,000 in payouts, technically they're a better trader than I am. So that is insane that that's the takeaway that you had. Crazy. Why am I so triggered today? I don't even know why I'm triggered, but geez. Clearly he hasn't been here when you've blown accounts. Exactly. I sell nightmares. Martin Conrad. That's very true. I sell just as many nightmares as I sell dreams. Oh dear. And yeah, like I trade overnight. Honestly, I used to show all my trades like this, like where I would show my trades, but honestly, I stopped like showing my actual executions because it triggers me. Like when I see exactly where I bought and sold, it actually it actually triggers me. Like if I see, oh, I bought right here, I could have held all the way. Like I don't like that. So I stopped. Like I don't want to see my executions. And if you interpret that as trying to hide something, I don't know, whatever. I don't care. I really don't care. It's like, I'm sorry, but I don't care. I'm trying to sell glasses. Oh, I'm not sure why I'm entertaining the trolls today, but I'm just in the mood. I'm in the mood. I know, guys. You know why I don't entertain trolls? The most of the time I don't. I honestly, most of the time, I just literally, I just ban people. It's not worth my mental capital, but I don't know. I guess today was different because you know why I don't? Because I know that 99% of you, 99% of you do not think like this and are only like 99% of you understand exactly, and you're not trolls, but that small little 1%, I hate giving them airtime because they don't deserve it. So anyway, I guess we every now and then for entertainment purposes, we entertain the trolls a little bit, but it's wild. That's about as wild of a take as I have heard in a long time. Oh. I am a really good golf club salesman, also good mower salesman. I'm also a good pilot. Thank you. That's true. Thank you, guys. I appreciate it. Is there a video showing my strategy? No, there is not. I always say I don't have a video on my strategy because I don't feel like I'm worthy to I'm not a good enough trader to be showing people how to trade. That's all I'm saying. We're all trolls deep down. Wait, QuantGuard is having a lot of issues again. Dominican trader. I know. I'm sorry. I feel really bad for the guy. He's trying really hard. Okay, I think I know it's hard, but got to be patient. Good things sometimes require patience. But I mean, I'm having no. Okay, wait. Do I need? Hang on. I need to keep my Discord open so I know when things are happening. Hmm. Ooh, I almost locked my wrong accounts. That was close. All right. I need to go open my door. It's so warm. By the way, guys, tomorrow is my anniversary. It is my anniversary, or our anniversary tomorrow. Me and my my beautiful wife of now 15 years. Can you believe it? Married 15 years. So unbelievable. I am so lucky. I am so lucky. You know what? I sometimes I just need to sit back and realize I really am. I've got to be one of the luckiest people like on planet Earth. I really do. Sometimes I need to remember that. Thank you, guys. Thank you. 15 years married. Oh man, good times, good times. You just had your 30th Traders Coach? That's awesome. 10 years Trader JMB, that's awesome. I remember, I know some of you guys, we've got some really um we have a lot of people that are married longer than 15 years. Let's go Max 90. That's awesome. I love to see it. By the way, hey, thank you, Ron. By the way, did you guys have a chance to watch the memorial service for Charlie Kirk yesterday? Man, if you haven't seen Erica Kirk's um man, I tell you what, Erica Kirk's speech at the memorial, you have to watch it. I feel like I strongly encourage everyone to watch that memorial service. I mean, I don't think there was a dry eye anywhere that was watching it. It was unbelievable. I cannot imagine like her just it was such a beautiful way of showing the true Christianity and forgiveness and understanding what how we've been forgiven, that we can forgive others if we really understand how much we have been forgiven. And it's one of the most powerful speeches I've ever seen. Highly recommend to watch it. And man, I will say I was a little disappointed in Trump. I wasn't surprised, but I was disappointed. It's like, oh, I mean, it wasn't terrible, but man, he really could have done better. Like, it's just insane. Yeah. Yeah, it was really good. I really did appreciate how Trump ended. He came out, gave a hug to Erica. That was really awesome. I wish he would have cut out, like, it turned into a campaign, and I really was hoping he would just keep it short and sweet. Remember Charlie, and and just kind of, I think it would have been so much better, but he couldn't help himself. He could not help himself. Uh RXHX, I mean, I would highly, I don't care which side you're on. It's not about which side you're on. Again, I don't want to get all political, but that was powerful. And we need more of that in this world. We need more of that in this world. That's all I'm going to say. We need more love. We need less hate. And the only way to combat hate is with love. Yeah, it was a big reason, Wall Street. I definitely agree. Yeah, Tim, I know. All right, market. We are literally going nowhere all of a sudden. I guess we are slowly starting to trend lower. We have now twice made a lower high. I do expect, like, this is kind of setting up to go, we kind of bleed lower. Maybe we even come test this 860 area again. And then probably end of the day, we'll have one big rocket ship higher to all-time highs because the market only goes higher. What about YM? I don't really look at YM, but I assume YM's going lower. I don't even know. Let's see. What's YM doing? Oh, not. Well, hang on. Actually, YM was very much doing what NQ is doing today. Man, it's very similar. And let's see if we make new lows. If we make new lows here, I'm very tempted to buy, just basically buy if we retest the 900s right here. It's tempting me. It's tempting. We might not retest that 900 too. I overtraded in these markets. In what direction, Leon? Hey, whoa, look who's here. Look who's here. Mad Cow is in the building. He's still with us. He's still alive. You love to see it. You love to see it. How we doing, Mad Cow? All right, market. Do I just do it? Do I do it? I guess we're doing it. I guess we're doing it. It's kind of dumb to trade this lavender. I mean, we're coming up on top of the hour, so hoping to get a nice move back up to the highs. Right now, I'm just trade the range, they said. It's easy, they said. Trade the range. Come on, just go up and fill me up here, and then we're fine, and you can do whatever you want. Just don't fake out. Don't do that. This is like watching paint dry right now. Oh, this is, wow. Okay, right here, go. Go. Fill me. Thank you. Thank you, market. I appreciate it. I won't ever ask you anything else. Now keep going. Keep going. Feel like this might be smart just to take profit here. But if we can get a retest of the highs, that would be so much better. Do I wait? Do I try to get? Or maybe we aim for that 950 area. I mean, I feel like we can just trail this now. I feel like. Let's try the trailing method. It never works, but why not try it one more time? One more time. We'll try the trailing method. You have to. I don't follow much news, but that story being, I guess I'll have to check out to see. Hey, again, I don't think you will be disappointed. You gotta be kidding me. I look at my phone for 2 seconds and we get stopped on the trail. Come on. No. Just can't have nice things anymore. That's why I don't like trailing stops. I just hate it. Never seems to work. Look at that. Look at that BS. See, this is why. This take notes, guys. This is why trailing stops are the dumbest invention in trading. See, now I'm going to turn on my executions for a split second just because I want to be mad. Look where we got stopped on that trail. It's so BS. It's so dumb. Whatever, market. I don't even care. Market is trying to trigger me, but I'm not going to do it. I'm not getting triggered. Not going to do it. Kim Clement. I'll look. Okay, I'm going to feel better if this pulled back now. Yeah, I know, Niles. I don't know. You try larger trails, but then I don't know. Then this happens. So maybe the trail wasn't so bad after all. You know what would have been better? If I just take profit at this double top. Like the signs were here, like right here. Feel like that's probably the better play is just take your profit. We've got prior resistance up here. Why not just take your profit? That's always what I think, but you know, this is looking bullish though. Every little pullback's now getting bought up, and back up we go. I can't buy up here though. Now we're just kind of sitting in no man's land. Oh, what is the platform you're sharing? Oh, the chart, Harish. This is Ninja Trader. I trade on Ninja Trader. Oh, that guy. Oh, he died. I see, Mr. Wall Street. Very interesting. Yeah, best guess trading. Just prepare to cry if you watch it. Okay, that's all. I mean, that's all I'm saying. Look at the man. Look at this. Oh. I'm come on. I mean, I feel like do we just trade? Because sometimes I will do this. Usually it's not a good idea. But do we just start taking trades with the concept that the 950s and the 25,000 level is our target for the day? Like, I feel like the way this market's been acting, I mean, this just looks like it's going to just keep going higher. And I am starting to get I'm having weird thoughts. Oh. Yeah, I'm having a good day, actually. It's true. It's true. It's a good perspective to have. But those take profit trader accounts are looking very, very lonely. It looks like those take profit traders want to be, it just looks like they want to be taken out for a spin. Don't you agree, guys? Oh, somebody stop me. Unreal. Man, oh man. Man, that sweep of the 900s right here is looking very tasty. Here we go. Retesting those highs. 937s. Can we rip through it? It looks like it. It's just, man. You think 965s? It's all going to depend. It's going to depend on if we rip through this or not. If we just go, like, if we don't make new highs right here, then I think that we could just go sideways. But if we make new highs here and just break out up, I mean, I think the 25,000s really are in play for today. It's only 12 o'clock. We still got 4 hours. We got 4 hours before to hit it. Low key trading. Wow, there he goes. New highs. 944s. Wow. Now we did sweep the new highs, so that's a little concerning. We got to make a move up through it. We don't want to see too big of a pullback here. Unbelievable. Sorry, low key trading, the ELTDEN, that is trade day. Oh, thank you, Jay Jackson. Double top and dump it. You think RX? You think we go lower? Man, I don't know. That's very. I'm not. I'm not. I'm not gonna go short. That's for sure. Just not gonna happen. What? Wow, look at that. Man, do I just. This is insane. Man, I'm disappointed. I'm so disappointed. We could have had this account to our target twice already today. If we just have a little more conviction on this move higher. Stupid trailing stop loss. Never gonna do that again. Until the next time. Wow. Here we go, 950s. Here we go. If we just rip through this 950, we might actually just go right through the 25,000s with no pullback. With no pullback. Oh. This is wild. I would definitely not be surprised to see some kind of pullback here in the 950s. And if we, I'm trying to think, if we pull back to the 930s, again, we might not even pull back here. We just might rip right through it. There she goes, new highs, 952s. Market don't care. Market don't care. It's just gonna keep going. Wow. Yeah, there's some FOMO here for sure. Gosh. Can we get a pullback? All right, pull them at 42s. Let's see, we test the 40s. I mean, the 36s would be an aggressive buy, but I mean, honestly, it's kind of a thought. Unbelievable. Look at that. Just straight back up. Mm-mm-mm. Unbelievable. One of these days, we're going to get a pullback. It's going to happen. It's going to happen, guys. I just don't know when. All right, 56s, tapped into 56s, and now maybe we get a pullback? Maybe. Maybe not. Jeez. You know what's crazy? Or this is also what my mind thinks. I'm like, who looks at this chart and is like, oh, wow, this is a great time to buy? Like, I'm dead serious. I'm not joking or trolling. I'm dead serious when I say, who looks at this chart and is like, oh, you know where I want to wait to buy? Right here at the 950s. It's like, why are people buying up here? But it don't matter. It going higher is, it just keeps going higher. That's the only thing that matters. It's like, what am I missing? What am I missing? Historically, buying the tops is actually very profitable. It probably is, to be honest. Eventually it will be. 957s now. Every little dip is just immediately getting bought up. And if we rip up through the 960s, I mean, this could go to the 25,000s in the next 15 minutes. I've seen this before, where if we just rip through this, no stopping now. This is also a lot of shorts getting trapped here and having to just cover. So that is also a big part of what's happening when we just rip straight through these highs. I mean, there she goes. 960s, 965s, and we ain't stopping. 965s. I don't know what to do. What can you do? GG's market. You got me. Good game. When is the 120-hour stream with no bathroom breaks? This is crazy. Crazy time. I'm starting to think about buying anything in red. If I see red, I buy. Like right now, just buy. It's tempting. It is actually tempting. Oh, man. I'm just going to torture myself. Let's torture ourselves again for no apparent reason. Look. Look at this. We had an entry here. 866s. We had an entry, I mean, 911s, and we just, oh my, that is so absolutely disgusting. I feel like this is also the difference in, how do I say this correctly? Like, this is the difference between like amateur traders and novice experienced traders. Like, I think my future self, like 10 years from now, I hope I have enough screen time that I can recognize when this is happening and just hold, and instead of doing trailing stops, add to my winners. When we start to see market moves like this, breaking out to new all-time highs, don't be scared, just hold and add to your longs. Maybe in 5 years from now, that'll be me. We're not there yet. I'm too scared. Oh, really? Classic man. Almost you're profitable now with NQ? Nice. That's awesome. All right, we tested the 970s. I mean, we have to wait for some kind of, that is so maddening. You know what's worse than having FOMO right now? Worse than having FOMO right now is continuing to short. You know this happened. You know someone shorted this double top at the 937s, and then they DCA'd at the 950s, and if this just keeps squeezing higher, I've done that. I've been there. A couple years ago, I used to short moves like this into oblivion. I would do that so many times. I can't even count on one hand how many accounts that I blew up shorting these kind of moves. Like, it's actually crazy. And it's crazy how one day, I don't remember the specific day, but I still remember in my mind when I did something that just kind of changed my mind. Like it changed my perception. And I remember it was a day similar to this where I had previously just been getting destroyed on the slow market grind higher. I would keep shorting, boom, blown account. And I would just get so mad and so frustrated. And my thought process was like, there's no way this just keeps grinding higher. We're going to see a cliff. I was so convinced, and I kept fighting and fighting and fighting. And one day, I remember one day I was doing it again. And I was kind of on tilt. I was on tilt, and I finally was on tilt enough that I was like, you know what? The heck with this market. And I reversed my position, and I just went long on every single little dip. And you know what? I actually got out of my drawdown, and I ended the day green. And it just something in my something clicked in my mind where I was like, I'm like, you know what? That was actually a lot easier. That was a lot easier than just fighting the trend. And it ever since that, I just have no desire to fight the trend, like especially when it's going higher. I will fight the trend when we're going lower, but when we go higher, I just have no desire to fight it because of that. Like now I will sometimes, like I won't always just buy any dip in every dip, but I've gotten to the point where at least I'm not shorting. And that's progress. At least we're not shorting. That is progress. Even though it's frustrating to not be long, it sure beats being short and just continuing to get squeezed all the way up. That is no fun at all. I used to get so mad. Oh, I used to get so frustrated at the market when it did this. And I still get frustrated at the market. Just usually it's when the market goes lower. Or it does the V-shaped moves. That's my kryptonite right now, is when the market does V-shaped reversals. But we are all the way back up. 970s being tested. That's wild, man. That is wild. Yeah, I'm not shorting. I'm not going to do it. I am not doing it. And we have locked ourselves out of my Apex accounts. Funding ticks. Does funding ticks, I think they don't do same day activations, do they? I don't think so. I had to wait. But tomorrow we should have 7 funding ticks accounts. I'm really debating how I want to trade these accounts, guys. I'm really, really on the fence. The one thing I really don't like that I'm scared to trade my take profit trader accounts. It is actually not good at all. And I don't know how to get over it. How do I get over it? I don't know how. I really don't. I really don't know how to get over it. I actually have legitimately fear of trading those take profit trader accounts. Do we think we should trade them just individually, one at a time? I mean, I thought about trading micros. This is how twisted and weird my brain works, okay? If I trade micros and my first 5 trades are really good trades, I'm going to be really upset. I'm going to be really upset that I didn't just trade minis. But like part of me, okay, obviously this time around it's a little bit different now that we have Quant Guard. I mean, knock on wood if Quant Guard is working. I just don't know how. I think I need, honestly, this sounds weird. This sounds maybe kind of weird, but I'm legitimately thinking about not trading those accounts for a full week or like 3 days. I think I need to trade them at least once. But I'm seriously thinking about just not trading them. I don't know why though. It's just because I don't know. I'm not ready. I feel I don't know. I'm scared. I'm just scared. Man, this market is insane. What's the difference between micros and minis? Tic Tac, it is a 1/10 the size. 1/10. So with minis, 1 tick equals $5. With micros, 1 tick equals 50 cents. It is Trader Coach, 100%. It is a fear of failure that is, it's real. I mean, it is 100% real. Like, I'm kind of scared what I will do if I enter a trade and it starts going against me. I'm scared what I'm going to do. That is why I don't want to trade them. I feel like mentally I'm not in a position to trade them. That's unfortunately the truth. I don't know how to fix it. I don't know how to fix it. Part of me, I feel like I should just copy trade them with Apex. And just pretend like I'm not doing that. That doesn't sound right because I can't trick my own brain. I can't do that. But I don't know. Here's how weird it sounds. This is I'm not this is an actual option that I keep coming back to, and I know it's very dumb, but part of me, I feel like to get over my fear, I I should just jump in head first and trade like just literally go for it all the first day and whatever. Every time I say it out loud, it sounds stupid. So in my mind, it makes more sense. In my mind, it makes more sense. But when I say it out loud, it just sounds like an idiot. Look at that. 971s. I legitimately don't know what to do here. Man. Man, I don't know. I will add to TradingView Watch. Oh, okay. What is it about those accounts that are causing you fear? Trader Coach. So, I mean, you might be new. So, my history with Take Profit Trader has just been so bad. Like, it has been the one prop firm that I cannot get going. I have blown so many accounts. It's just been so bad. I don't really have a reason to explain it, but it's gotten so bad that it's now mental, and I'm just scared to even trade him. I don't know, but I know one thing. If I trade scared, it's not going to end well. I know that for sure. But I just don't know how to get over it. Other than I'm literally thinking of ripping off the Band-Aid and doing it that way, where we go in on a big size, we put in our target, we put in a stop loss, and I think I have to literally walk away from my computer. I cannot sit here and watch the price action. That's kind of how I'm leaning. It's like I just need to enter a trade, put on my take profit, my stop loss, and walk away and give it time to work, because I know I'm going to micromanage the trade like crazy. Like if I'm $100 in profit, I might take profit at $100 for no reason at all. How do you copy trade? Do you group them? Yeah, so I do. I mean, yeah, right now I copy trade these Apex accounts, and then these funding ticks accounts I copy traded in a group because these are evals that are now passed. Now that these are passed, I'm actually not sure how I'm going to trade these. I got to decide that yet. I don't know. I honestly don't know how to do it. I haven't decided yet. I keep going back and forth to, like, I keep coming back to just copy trading all my funded accounts at the same time. I keep coming back to that, and I might do it. I might actually do that. Have you blown more take profit trader accounts compared to Apex or other prop firms, or is that? Ooh, Kevin Minihan. Oh man, I don't know. No, I don't think I've blown more than Apex. I mean, Apex, I'm pretty sure I've blown 3. I mean, you can see I'm on PA number 313 for Apex. I mean, I don't know how many I've blown with take profit trader over the years. Can I count? Can I see? I probably could, actually. Let me see if I can count them. I would be highly surprised. I would be shocked if it was more. If it was more than 300, that I don't think so. But, I mean, you never know. Let me see if I can count. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10, 15, 20, 25. No. Yeah, so I count 60. That's still a lot. So 61. 61 take profit trader accounts blown. Now that I have gotten some payouts with them, so there are some. But it honestly feels like more. I wonder if they remove accounts every year? I don't even know. Like, do they have I don't even know how they do that. I wish Take Profit Trader did a better job of actually, like, so you could track that. It's also really difficult to track your expenses with Take Profit Trader, probably for a reason. Now you trade NVIDIA, not NQ. NQ will go up. How many P accounts did you say you have had? Ace Undercover, right here. It's right here. I mean, the number's right here. 309, 310, 311, 312, 313. So I've had 313 Apex PA accounts, but that's over a span of almost 2022, almost 3 years. That's a span of almost 3 years of trading with Apex. Tradeify changed their payout rules. When? Dipesh. When? Is that something new? Wow, look at this, guys. This is, I mean, I don't even, It's just frustrating now because I literally called this, but I didn't trade it. That's where it gets so frustrating. Literally said, if we rip up through the 950s, we're just going to go right to the 25,000s. But unfortunately, we didn't take the trade. That's the unfortunate. It's easier to say than it is to do. I know that much. I just keep thinking, I keep dreaming. I keep dreaming of Take Profit Trader and getting my account balance above 4,500. And I keep dreaming of taking daily payouts. I want it. I want it so bad. I want it so bad. I think that's probably why it's also probably part of the reason that I'm struggling so much with them. The worse that you want something to happen in trading, it seems like that's the harder it gets to do it. I truly believe that. I really believe that. The more you want something and the more important it is, and the more like the bigger of a deal it is, the harder it is to do it. But it's weird. I don't know how you change it. Like, I don't know. How do I make myself not care? Maybe I need to get drugged. That might be an option. Armando, unfortunately I'm trying, but I'm not having much luck. I haven't given up yet, but at this point I really don't. I'm sorry, I don't have really an answer. Unfortunately. Karubo. Karubo says, I agree with that. Works with women too. The more that you want someone, the harder it is. Oh man, I'm glad that wasn't the case with my wife. That's too funny. It is a process not to care. Start small, use micros, don't copy trade until the fear is gone. I think there's like a combination of fear and greed. I think if I really identify it correctly, because part of me, I have a big fear, but then if I think about trading micros or trading one account at a time, then I'm like, but then what if the first account I trade, I get a really, really good trade? Then I get like FOMO that I didn't just copy trade and I'm doing it on all of the accounts. So I don't know. I guess I can't have it both ways. I got to make a choice. I got to make a choice. Oh, all right, guys. I am trying to debate what I want to do here. What do I want to do? Greed is just another form of fear. Yeah, it kind of is. Yeah. When was the last time I had a payout denied by Apex? Oh man, I don't know. Let's see. I had a couple payout denied. Probably earlier this year. I know I had a couple payout denials earlier this year, I think. Hey, Citizen Zero. Yep, everything is still green. It's probably a sign I should just walk away. I really want to get these trade day accounts to like $1,800 to $2,000 in profit though. We have 5 trade days we need. Also, guys, I don't want to jinx this at all. But we only need about $600 more on these Apex accounts, and then we can request a payout. Let's go. I'm pretty happy with these Apex accounts, that the fact that we had that one horrible day. I think we had what, $2,300 loss? We took a $2,300 loss on Tuesday, and in 1 week's time, we've recovered from it. I'm pretty happy about that. I am pretty happy. Have you kept inside the max loss limit for Apex? It's actually a really good question, because I'm not sure. My one trade, I think I was at $1,480 loss, which $1,500 is the 30% max drawdown. So I think it was close. I know it was really, really close. So I think I'm okay though. Is take profit trader strictly 5 days? Yes, they are, MB. You can flip. So with take profit trader, they have a 50% consistency rule. So if you get there in 2 days, you can flip the rest of the 3 days. Unlike trade day, you have a 30% consistency rule to follow. Well, guys, I can see the 25,000 level. We are inevitable. I feel like if there was ever a time to like guarantee something, it is the guarantee that we take out 25,000 today. I just said it out loud, which means it will not happen now today. I'm sorry if some of you had a target of 25,000. I just jinxed it. We just jinxed it live on stream. I apologize. RG Ace is holding for 25K. Let's go. I mean, I do think we get, I mean, do I just jump in here? I'm actually thinking about it. What could go wrong? This is a FOMO trade, 100%. Do I do it? Jeez, this is so dumb if I do it and it doesn't work. I'm gonna be. This is a FOMO. This is why am I doing this? This is dumb. We're not even gonna worry about a stop loss. This is very, very dumb. I apologize to everyone that has target at 25,000 level. Pretty sure I just jinxed it. I'm okay though. If it pulls back to the 75s, I feel good about we can possibly add. We're gonna have to seek counseling if this is the top. If this is high of day, we're gonna need counseling. Everybody in chat might need counseling as well. Oh God. The FOMO got me. Still gonna go higher, right? It's still gonna go higher. There's no need to worry. No need to worry. It's gonna keep going up. I'm legitimately scared. I'm scared.
I'm falling in love. I'm falling in love with you.
Slowly but surely you're winning my heart.
And you're winning my heart too.
I'm scared. I need calming.
Slowly but surely I'm losing my heart.
And I'm losing my heart to you.
Slowly but surely my dreams will come true.
If I spend my lifetime with you.
You're just what I wanted.
You're just what I needed.
You're my every dream come true. My life's growing stronger.
I can't wait much longer.
I'm falling in love with you. Slowly but surely I'm falling in love. I'm falling in love with you.
I'm scared.
Slowly but surely you're winning my heart.
And you're winning my heart too.
You're just what I wanted.
You're just what I needed.
You're my every dream come true. My life's growing stronger.
I can't wait much longer.
I'm falling in love with you. Yes, I'm falling in love with you.
Just give me a big green candle here. Come on. Let's just pretend like I didn't make a mistake.
An acre of diamonds I'd offer to you. A solid gold mansion, an airplane or two.
This whole world would be yours to have and hold if teardrops were pennies and heartaches were gold. If teardrops were pennies and heartaches were gold, I'd have all the riches my pockets could hold. I'd be oh so wealthy with treasures untold if teardrops were pennies and heartaches were gold.
You think this goes higher?
The tears that have fallen won't buy you a thing. The
here,
heartache you
pump it.
caused me won't
Rip it.
pay for a ring.
Do it.
The love that I wanted would not have
You can't hear me?
grown
Oh, haircuts mandatory? Yeah, they are, Liam.
If teardrops were pennies and heartaches were gold, I'd have all the riches my
Let's go,
pockets could
Tim.
hold.
Tim, it's good to see you.
I'd be
One micro
your
ten
somewhere with treasures untold. If
feels like maybe that is what I should do.
pennies and heartaches were gold.
Oh, the music's too loud? Sorry.
But teardrops aren't pennies.
I see, it was loud. Sorry about that. All right, market. Let's just go higher, take out those 500s, and we'll pretend like I didn't make a mistake. How about that? We call it even. This is why I like trading with the trend. You can have bad entries and technically bad trades, but you get saved. If you make a bad entry and a bad trade and going against the trend, you can get absolutely punished. Not saying that can't happen on this, but it's more likely. I probably should have waited to say that until I actually reach my target. The other option is we just get out right here for minimal damage. You know what's going to happen if I do that, right? I think we all know. We all know what will happen if I get out right here. We're going to be at the 500s in literally 30 seconds. Hey, Orlando. Good to see you. Is that a bowl cut? Yep, pretty much. Not quite, but yeah, similar. Come on, market. Just go. Just rip up through those 90s. You can do it. You can do it. Go. Go, 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 go. Come on. Come on. Come on. You serious? Come on, go. Come on, market. Keep going. Don't sweep the 90s here and rip lower. And don't scare me. Don't scare me because I'm going to get scared very easily. Just do it. Go. I don't know what I'm gonna. I don't like. I just can't do it. I need to stop. I need to stop. For real. We need to walk away. I don't like when I trade like this. I do not like it. How many winning trades does it usually take for you to recover one loss? Usually 2, at least 2 to 3. Hey, Tanush, thank you. Thank you. I appreciate it. I think I'm going to walk away, guys, for real. I think we do take out the 500, the 25,000s, but honestly, might as well wait. don't like how I'm trading. I'm having some FOMO here. And it's okay. We have a good day. We had a good day. These take profit trader accounts, I got to sleep on it and think about how I want to trade these. I got to get my head right. I got to get my head right with these take profit trader accounts. All right, everybody. Appreciate all you guys. Thanks for tuning in. Hit the like button on your way out if you don't mind. And we shall be back tomorrow. Tomorrow is my anniversary, our anniversary, and I'm going to be streaming. It's probably not going to be a long stream. We do have really fun things planned in the evening, but I will be here. So, all right, everybody, appreciate it. Take care. I hope you guys all have a great rest of your day. Take care, and God bless.